Here's the delivery of the 1969 Buick. Yeah, I was hoping, yeah, look at that. Good morning. How are you?
Good. Is it yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
Cool.
Yeah. A work of art. It's a 53-year-old car right there. This is taken, I don't know how long, 22 months, start to finish. Very funny story about this. I said to, so that's a 1969. I said to Chris, but I needed a 1970 Buick, and I was talking to my dad, trying to get information out of him, quite frankly, about what was going to be needed, what car, you know, this, just getting information from him about the car. And I said, yeah, that 70 Buick Skylark. He says that wasn't a 70, that was a 69. I had already told Chris that we needed to start working on a 70 Skylark, so I immediately called him up and said, hey, did you get that 1970 Buick? And he's like, yeah, I just wired the money. And I said, shoot, we've got to find a 69. So here is the 69. So from the research that we've been able to do, and it makes sense. So my dad bought a 1969 Buick, what was probably a special from Jacob's Twin Buick, right off the lot. Oh my God. Right off, oh, you hear that? Right off the lot. And it would have been a special, and that's what you got there on the end. So there were three models of the Buick. There was the special, which would certainly have been the base model, and then there would have been the Skylark, and then there would have been the GS. Is what would have happened. Take that down to Matt and show him later. You know, just put it right there, and after you pull out, I'll move it along. Oh, it's just, it's... Oh, it's pretty. So, if I recall the story correctly, Chris picked this car up from someone, I think, in Albuquerque, or maybe Colorado, somewhere out west. I don't recall if it was Colorado or if it was New Mexico, somewhere like that. And he had said, Chris had said, this is no car has ever needed as little work as this one has. When's the last time you heard that sound?
Yeah, I know. It shocked me when I opened the door, too.
That's pretty. Boy, as a child, I would have thought the back seats aren't as big as I recall from when I was 5 years old. Yeah, that is that interior is drop dead gorgeous. pretty, isn't it?
It is. It's awesome car. I picked up a lot of older vehicles, been redone, and what they call redone. This one here is nice.
No, this one's.
Yeah.
This one's.
You get a name and a signature from you?
Yeah.
You're supposed to have a U-ship code from me or something?
Yeah. I have that on my. I have that in my email. I'm going to get that right now.